Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday and the time is like, I think it's close to 4 o'clock, or it is 4 o'clock, I'm not sure, but I'm at Builders and I'm looking for iparafini. I'm looking for iparafini for my heater because you guys know how I've been complaining about this whole situation. So I really need paraffin and trackers for my living room and bedroom, because I currently want to change those ones because I'm not happy with them. So yeah, that's what we're here at Boulders to do, and I think I found them. Look at how nice. I don't know what this is. I think maybe it's for like a headboard or something. Yeah, let's try and... They also have nice nails. Here are the trackers, but then the problem is I don't know like how long it is. Yeah, ooh, here they are, but I don't know how long it is, but I'm just guessing it's this one, right? Yeah, but can you guys see they have like nice outdoor furniture? Because look at this table. Look at this table, it's so nice. It's literally so nice. And then they have like these nice chairs and stuff. Oh, I wouldn't mind getting this for like my balcony. That's very nice. But yeah, let's try and look for this paraffin. And then guys, I was starting to get worried there for a second because they were like they don't have it, but I know for a fact that they do. So I found it, and yeah, let's try and look for other things, then we're gonna go home. Please. Please.
Sana, come back. We're going to announce. Oh my God, you're doesn't look like that. It doesn't look like that, yes. Okay. Should we open it? Are you ready? And there it is.
Fred, he won! What? What? I'm here at home and they kindly have a special on these baskets, right? It's a 50% off. Now the thing is, I saw baskets online, the size that I wanted. I saw it online but I'm kind of confused because I don't see it here, unless if I just get this one. But that's not the size that I want though. This one's too small. This is way too small. And then those ones are way too big. Those ones are way too big. And then I do want those ones, but no man. And then I also want these things, but I'm gonna get those at Pep Home. So let's just try and find, and then we'll see. Cute is this mug and saucer. And you guys know how obsessed I am when it comes to mugs, but as you can see, they have like a whole entire sale going on. They have a whole entire sale going on, literally. Makes me happy more than homemade shopping. We finally have it! We finally have it. I don't know if I should get this one because my kitchen is kind of like marble. Or should I get this one? I don't know. I really don't know. But let's just get this one. I wish I had a tripod. But what can we do? So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Yoga Banda. Every freaking night it's cold in Joburg. Like, what the hell? But let me put you guys here. Yeah, like, let me put you guys here again. So, it's that time of the month where I have to be an adult. I have to make grown-up decisions. As you guys saw in my previous clip, I went to go and buy food, and being me, I went to go and buy food at Release, right? And then at home also I had a sale. I'm probably sure you guys saw at on my previous story. I mean, like, before we got to this part, you guys saw, right? Because I was at home. So for the thumbnail, yeah, so I went to at home, right? And being a broke ass bitch, right, I wanted more of these, but I was like, you know what, I'll try and get the other one during the week. But as of now, I got this, right? I got this nice woven, what do you call it? Is it woven? It's natural fiber hand woven basket, woven, whatever, and it was $2.49, but I ended up paying $1.25 for it, right? So I got that. I think you guys are starting to notice like the colors of my place, right? The colors of my place, the light wood, it's the light wood, white, touch of black, and a touch of gold and cream. But those are just the basics, like those are just colors. But mainly my kitchen is wooden, which is like this color. It's wooden and white. Yeah, wooden and white and beige. And then I got also this bamboo roll holder, right? And I've been wanting this. Like, I've been literally, I think last month I went there, and then I went to go and ask them if do they have it. They said no. And then when I got there today, I was like, there's no ways am I leaving this behind. So I got it, and it was 200 Rand. Right, my kitchen is coming together. I feel like that's the only thing that's coming together in this place. I need to start decorating my my living room. Dining room, it's okay. And then I got the sugar canister, right? I got the sugar canister. Yeah. So that's everything. And then I just need to unpack my groceries, and then I'll show you guys what I got. So guys, these are all the things that I got at Woolies. For me, I feel like it's a bargain, because all of these stuff, they literally are gonna last me the whole entire month. But it's only a few things that I'm gonna have to restock up on. So like what? Just meat. Yeah, but I already have enough meat, but this is all I got. And everything, kid you not, everything amounted to, I think it was 1.2. I can't find the bottom of the slip, but yeah, here it is. But everything just amounted to 1.2 because I remember it very well. So this is what I got. I released for 1.2. So yeah, guys, save yourself some cash and just shop at Woolies.
I eat that lunch, she keep that booty booty, she keep that pump, that little beauty, yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back, juices, back, yeah, back, juices, back, juices. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it when you back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like to keep on wanting more. He asked me, told you where you at, huh? And I wanna know how long it take to put my pants up. Broke a finger, net and some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Said if you don't wanna say you like, I don't buy it with a cellulite.
This is the end result. I'm sorry the flash is on, but it's kind of like a bit dark. But I put all the canned goods and noodles into the basket, and then there's my juices and other stuff, and then yeah, so this is the organized cupboard, as you guys can see. And then if I were to open, yeah, this is the one that's not so organized, right? So what I need to get is another one of these, right, to kind of like store my snacks, because I don't like how this cupboard is looking, to store my snacks. And then I also need a bag where I can put my onions. But I don't know what are you guys watching on Netflix, but I highly recommend that you go and watch Glamour Girls. You'll be obsessed. You'll be obsessed, and everything will make sense. Hey guys, so today is, what's today's date? Today's Wednesday. Yes, today's Wednesday, and I ordered clothes online at Foschini because they had a sale. I think, please don't mind the mess behind me, that's my other laundry that I need to fold. But there's currently load shedding. Oh, I'm sweating underneath this dress. The reason why I'm wearing it is because I'm going to go and study by the lifestyle center, and I don't want to wear like a jersey and stuff, so why not just wear a dress that's a jersey. Anyways, so last week, as I was saying, last week Friday I ordered clothes online at Foschini. That's because they had a sale. Right, I ordered like lots of things. So the first batch arrived today. It was supposed to arrive yesterday, but then there was load shedding. I couldn't give them the access code to get in, so I only managed to get my delivery today. So the first item that I got was, I'm literally doing this because this is the only place that you can find like nice lighting, so I'm doing it by the window. Right, I'm probably sure everyone can see me. I got this dress, right? I will try it on. I'm gonna do like a try on haul, well actually like a winter haul. So I'm just here to show you guys just this batch that arrived today, and then I'm not gonna show you the rest because I'm gonna do like a winter haul. And then I got this. What size is this? This is a medium. It looks so small. It looks it looks very tiny. And my dad was like, when he was sending me my allowance, he was like, don't buy clothes. You're gonna buy clothes when I come there. I'm like, I'm gonna have to wait 10,000 years and I'm not gonna do that. And then I got this nice pink turtleneck. Well, it's very light, right? And I feel like it's kind of like okay. And then I got these pants. Oh guys, the material, it feels so nice and soft. It feels, it's very soft. And then I got this jersey, which I'm gonna wear with the pants, right? So it's this white creamish jersey. I hope you guys can see it. Is it focusing? Yeah, I got that. I don't know what's in the other package. Let me open it. Ooh, guys, my life is so hectic right now. I'm just dealing with a lot. And I have an exam. Wait, what? Oh, these are the pants. Oh, finally. Okay. Because this was supposed to arrive with the rest of the stuff that are gonna come, I think, next week, Monday. But that's fine. These blue pants. I finally have some color. I got color sweatpants, but they're way too big, but I think they're nice. These sweatpants, and then they're like this at the bottom, like just normal sweatpants. But yeah, guys, those are my clothes that arrived today. I am gonna do a winter haul, like I said, but I just want the rest of my stuff to get here, and then I'm gonna do that with you. Probably I'll do it like Pamela Mtanga's vibes, you know, go to a location, maybe to Melrose, and go and shoot there. But I just need to ask someone who I don't want to ask because it's kind of like not on speaking terms. But yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, let me go and study. I've been rambling way too much. Let me go and study because I am writing mathematics on Friday. Guys, but anyways, let me go, and then I'll catch up with you guys. I know when I have something to
Keep that lunch, she keep that booty booty, she keep that lump, that natural beauty, yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the